Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. I have installed Windows on the C drive of the hard disk in my Dell Optiplex 3010 PC. But since the computer is very slow, I want to install Windows on the SSD by installing SSD. And I want to format the C drive of the hard disk and only use it for storage. If you want to do that, then this video will be very useful for you. I will show you from start to finish with explanation, so stay tuned. First we will install the SSD into the PC, then I will insert a bootable pen drive for installing Windows. Before that you will must need to backup data from your C drive, so you will backup from desktop, document, download picture and video and other document. Then you will press F12, pressing again and again, and after coming the Windows you see here three devices. First one is hard drive, second is SSD, and third is USB storage device, which is bootable pen drive. So I will select it and enter. Again enter. This PC's BIOS have only legacy mode. There is no UEFI. So you select the Windows, next, check mark, next, install. Here you see the lot of drive. Here all the drive is hard drive. You must need to delete system, C drive, reserve, and all the small drive which is created automatically. And here you see unallocated device, and I will not format it. I will format only SSD. And next, after installing Windows, I will format C drive of the hard disk. Before starting install Windows, you must need to unplug internet connection. If you do that, you get, before starting install Windows, you must need to unplug internet connection. Click here. If you do that, and limited connection, you put in here a username. Windows installation complete. So I will format the C drive of the hard disk. For that, you see this PC. I will click right, manage, and disk management. Here you see the hard disk and SSD. I will right click the unallocated space of the hard disk and format it. So now we can use only for storage, and this is SSD. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.